Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have been a little MIA. I have got a few new projects that I am working on, not just woodworking, and I am going to give you a little bit more details. But this video I specifically wanted to do because in 1 week, on Monday, October 4th at 6 p.m., I am going to be doing my first live, and it is going to be using this program, this course. It's a Starting and Growing My Business for Self-Reliance 12-week course. If that's something that you're interested in, follow along. So really, I just wanted to go ahead and give everybody a heads up that I would be doing this and kind of give an introduction as to what this course is, what it entails, why I'm doing it, and how it could benefit you and your business as well. I do have some notes here, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm checking out my notes. Okay, so what is this course and what are we going to learn and go over as we go through it? It's actually a 12-week program. My church encourages self-reliance in a lot of different aspects, and there's actually like 4 or 5 different classes that include things like budgeting and then emotional resilience and other things. And this one is the Start and Grow Your Business. And it is a 12-week program. It is meant to be done in a group setting. So that is what is going to make this a little different, being online versus in the group setting, is that I am going to be hosting a live once a week, and that is going to be over the course of the 12 weeks, where basically I am going to be going through the different points and stories and tips and tricks and all the things that are within the week on the live. It is supposed to be in a group setting so that you can bounce ideas off of other people and be able to offer ideas, suggestions, and constructive criticisms. And then others may be able to have different resources that they can connect you with and all of those types of things. So I have created the Facebook group so that I can go in there and put the questions down that are going to be covered so that there can be a group discussion outside of the live. I've never done a live before, and honestly, I'm a little nervous because I haven't done it before, but I am just going to be doing a lot of reading and instructing in that week, and I want a lot of outside communication to be done on the Facebook group. That way we can kind of get everybody's thoughts and ideas. It's supposed to be about a 2 to 3 hour class every week, but because we're doing the online version, it's probably, I don't know, I guess we'll see how the first live goes. I'm assuming it's going to be around 45 minutes to an hour because all that extra time that would be spent in the class setting is actually going to be done on the Facebook group, where we're just posting the questions and pondering the activities and doing it outside of the live. So there are 12 weeks, and each week, these are the things that will be discussed regarding business. We have my readiness for business success, solving unmet customer needs, ensuring that I have a profitable business, finding customers, keeping customers, managing the profitability of my business, keeping separate my business and personal money, managing the cash flow of my business, growing my business, financing my business, continually improving my business, and presenting my business. So there is a lot of information to unpack in these. And each week comes with activities to do, questions to ponder and answer, as well as commitments that you have to make and keep to help your business grow during that week. And then there is also, because this is from my church organization, it does have a foundation principle at the beginning of every week. And those are things that are going to include self-reliance being a principle of salvation, exercise faith in Jesus Christ, manage money, repent and be obedient, use time wisely, work, take responsibility and persevere, solve problems, become one, serve together, seek learning, show integrity, communicate, petition, and listen. And then the last one is receive temple ordinances. So this does include some religious aspect in the background. So each week, at the beginning of the live, there will be, I think it's about 10 to 15 minutes that are going to be devoted to those foundation principles. And it's those things that I just mentioned, and it is incorporating how we can combine our temporal and our spiritual aspirations together, and how we can use gospel principles to help propel our business to better success. Maybe you're not religious, and that's okay. If this is something that you're interested in, there is still, again, those other principles, business tips and tricks that will be discussed. Like I said, the foundation principle is probably like the first 15-20 minutes, and then the rest of the time is spent on the actual business side of things. So you can simply just skip the beginning of the lives if you want to, or just participate in the group discussion and the business side of things. And I wanted you to get an idea of where you can find me. So I did link below my Facebook group that I created, and it is called Self-Reliance, Start and Grow Your Business. I encourage you to look it up and go ahead and join that group if you want to join me on this 12-week course. So why am I doing this business course? Well, I am a woodworker and I enjoy doing it as a hobby on the side. I have earned some income from it as a side hustle. I haven't really promoted it a ton as a business, I guess. Like, I haven't really dove into that. And I actually am a multi-creative. I enjoy all things handmade and not just woodworking. So I've changed my business model and I kind of wanted to try something new. I am going to try and do more workshops where people can schedule appointments with me and make and create things, including woodworking as well as other handmade items. I have taken this course before. It is through my church organization, which is the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I am not a sponsor of them or anything like that. I am just a member, and I have used this course before when I lived in New Mexico and I was going to be doing a bed and breakfast. I took this course and I really loved all that it entailed. My husband ended up getting another job and we quit his job down there and we moved up here to Idaho. And now my business plans have changed. The bed and breakfast is no longer in the foreseeable future anyways. So I wanted to take this course again with my new business model. That is a lot to unpack. And this is a lot of information. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. Make sure you check out the links below so that you know where to find me and you can find out when the lives are going to be and follow along for the tips and tricks. Even if you're not interested in watching the lives, I think there's going to be a lot of information unpacked just on the Facebook group. I hope this is something that you're interested in. If you are looking to create a side hustle, maybe you have a side hustle that you want to turn into a business. Maybe you already have a successful business and you just want to scale it, or you want to learn some things that will help improve that business. And I truly feel like you're going to be able to find those things in this course. It's free. Like I said, I've taken it before and I really enjoyed the things that it taught me, and I'm excited to do it again. And really, this is just my journey and I'm letting you join along if you would like to. I'd like to support you and your ideas and your struggles and your business successes. And so if that's something you're interested in, then let me know. Until then, we'll see you next time.